Put yourself in control. Our flagship, the control combines quality construction with feature-loaded functionality. A versatile Tenkeyless TKL keyboard designed with input from the drop community. It raises the bar for mechanical keyboards. Premium engineering. Constructed with a solid aluminum frame with a built-in switch plate and magnetic legs, the control is rock solid and ready for any setup. Cherry MX BROWN RGB switches. This control model comes equipped with Cherry MX BROWN switches, which have a tactile bump, silent travel, and medium actuation force, great for both typing and gaming. HOT-SWAPPABLE switch functionality. Want to switch your switches? Customize the control with ease thanks to HOT-SWAPPABLE switch sockets, which allow you to swap switches in seconds, no soldering required. Optimized per key lighting with millions of colors. The control is illuminated with fully customizable RGB backlighting and underlighting. Set your millions of LEDs to a single color or light them up with custom rainbow wave patterns. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent keyboard if you have the money. The keyboard is fantastic, easily the best I've ever owned. It's not great value for money, but if you do get what you pay for. And this thing is fully loaded.